Different raw material will have different preheating treatment process, including carburizing and quenching, induction hardening, nitriding, quenching and tempering, etc. Now, the commonly material used for hardened flank gear is 17CR-NIMO6, 18CR-NIMO76. After many years' experience, our company has successfully mastered the property of this material. We can get the better performance of the superior alloy steel through improving the heat treatment process. Firstly, changing the preheating treatment process normalizing to compound quenching and tempering, it solves the problem of chemical composition and structure segregation, and refine the metallographic structure, which provides the high-quality billet for the next carburizing process. We add slow cooling process after carburization and place the workpieces in the insulation chamber with protective atmosphere. On one hand, it can get more balanced structure and make the carbide spherulitic, which will improve the wear resistance of the parts, reduce the stress concentration phenomenon, and the risk of cracking. On the other hand, it is easier to change the unstable austenite to stable martensitic structure in quenching, reducing the residual volume of austenite, which is very favorable and necessary for the carburizing process of carburized steel.